Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to scan passport in mobile for LinkedIn app. Start by making sure your phone supports NFC. NFC stands for Near Field Communication, and it is required to read the chip inside your passport. Go to your phone settings and turn on NFC before moving ahead. Now open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on your profile picture. After that, tap on your profile name to open your full profile page. On this page, look for the three dots icon, usually at the top right corner. Tap on those three dots. A menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says about this profile. Inside this section, you will see an option called Verify Now. Tap on Verify Now to begin the process. You will now be guided through the verification steps. First, you need to capture the ID page of your passport. Next, the app will ask you to scan the NFC chip in your passport. Place your phone against the cover or the inner back page of your passport where the biometric symbol is located. Hold your phone steady until the scan completes. After that, you will be asked to take a selfie. Follow the instructions on the screen and take a clear live photo of your face. This helps match your identity with your passport. Once all steps are completed, your verification will be submitted. Thanks for watching.